to make this awesome weapon. I call it Destructor. It looks like trash, but it isn't. Look at this. Did you see that? Now let's just get into the tutorial. We're moving on to the tutorial, and anyways, that wasn't my real voice, so don't get scared of me. So first of all, you have to fold the paper in half, just like this. Then fold it in half once again, and then just keep folding it in half. Okay, I'm just gonna fold it in half. And then just keep folding it in half, how much ever you can. The more you can, the more thicker it will be and the more it'll fly. Then you'll need some tape as well. So then just peel off some tape. Just a second. Okay, just peel off some tape. And then now just put it on the bottom of this stick, just like that. And then now put the tape, flip it over, and then put the tape just like that. Like that. Okay, and now your next step is to take your tape, make another piece, and then just take this and like roll the tape around it. I'm gonna do that on this end and this end. So let me just do that quickly. Let's put it on the left end now. Okay, and now we're gonna put it on the right end. Okay, let's put it on the right end. Okay, now we have to make this short part over here and over here. So what you have to do next is you'll need actually only one paper. So you have to fold it in half. Like you just have to continue the same steps you did for the one before, but not the exact same. Fold it in half, then fold it in half once again, then another time. Okay, and then one more time. Okay, then do the same thing, tape the stick. Okay, just tape the stick. Okay, tape it like that. And then now just roll it around. Okay, now we will get into the next part, so stay tuned. After you're done taping, wait, actually you're supposed to tape the left and the right end like how you did for your first stick. So once you're done doing that, go grab a pair of scissors, and then just you can predict where the middle of the paper is, and then all you want to do is just cut right through the middle, just like that. And then you can adjust half of this paper to how much ever size you want. So I would want it probably like this much, like the size you want the blades to be. So I want my blades to be maybe about that much. This is how much I recommend. It's gonna fly good. Okay, let's make this sharp part. Okay, and then what you need to do next is just stick it like that. Okay, so that just get tape. Take a long piece of tape so I can curl it. So just take that. Oh, just a second. Okay, wait, just a second, sorry. Okay, just put the tape right over there, just like that. Right over here, so that the blade stays on top. And then, again, you just, for the second stick, just put this on top of this stick, and then you can cut it so you can get them in the exact same size. So just a second. Just like that. Yep. And this blade goes down like that, and then we'll have to tape it. Just a second. So tape this part just like that. Just put the tape on top like this, and then curl it to the back so that it's more stable and it doesn't fall off. And then now you've got your own weapon. It's actually pretty cool. And now my friend will show you the different ways of how to throw this. Okay, so guys, anyways, it's gonna be only my voice itself. So the first way for throwing it is like you throw it like a frisbee, like that. Just like a frisbee, kind of like that. And then now we're gonna move on to the second way you can throw it. Like just flick your wrist like that. This way goes faster. And those are the two ways you can throw your weapon. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And please comment down if you have any questions. And stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.